Imagine buying a brand new crossover, driving it off the lot, and realizing you just fell for one of the biggest marketing illusions in automotive history. For years, the compact SUV market has been a fierce, unforgiving battleground, and Honda has always played it safe with their reliable, if slightly predictable, everyday commuters. But the all-new 2027 Honda HR-V is a massive shift that is currently dividing the entire car community right down the middle. This isn't just a minor facelift or a cheap interior upgrade. Honda has completely redesigned this machine from the ground up to challenge the dominant giants of the subcompact segment, taking direct aim at Toyota and Mazda with a boldness we haven't seen from them in a decade. However, behind the aggressive new stance and the sleek tech lies a massive engineering gamble that Honda desperately hopes you won't notice until it's far too late. If this gamble fails, it could permanently damage the HR-V's legendary reliability, and we are going to uncover exactly why this hidden flaw could cost you thousands before this video ends. When you first lay eyes on the 2027 model, the changes are immediate and striking. The front fascia sheds its friendly, cartoonish grin for a wider, imposing grille flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that give it a seriously premium aesthetic. The silhouette looks lower, wider, and far more athletic, mimicking the upscale design cues of its larger sibling, the CR-V. Honda's designers clearly wanted to make a statement here, moving away from the budget commuter vibe and pushing heavily into the near-luxury space. Under the hood, they have finally addressed the single biggest complaint of the previous generation, which was a painfully sluggish acceleration that felt completely breathless on the highway. The new powertrain options bring a much-needed injection of adrenaline to your daily drive, offering a revised engine that delivers punchier low-end torque for quick city maneuvering. The steering feels noticeably sharper, and the suspension has been meticulously tuned to soak up nasty potholes while keeping body roll to an absolute minimum around tight corners. Step inside the cabin, and you are immediately greeted by a minimalist, driver-focused layout that feels miles ahead of the competition. The materials are soft to the touch, the physical knobs have a satisfying mechanical click, and the massive center touchscreen handles everything seamlessly. If you are loving this deep dive into the latest automotive shakeups, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video right now so you never miss out on the truth behind the newest releases. Now, looking closer at that infotainment system, Honda has integrated wireless connectivity alongside an array of advanced driver assistance features that usually command a premium price tag on rival vehicles. The passenger volume is surprisingly generous, offering clever cargo solutions that prove Honda still king when it comes to maximizing interior real estate. Yet beneath this beautifully polished surface, the real controversy begins to brew. To compete with the soaring fuel economy numbers of its rivals, Honda had to make a radical choice regarding the transmission and the engine tuning. They pushed the limits of efficiency farther than ever before, using a highly complex setup that squeezes every single drop of mileage out of the fuel tank. On paper, the efficiency ratings look absolutely spectacular, promising to save you a fortune at the gas pump over the lifespan of the vehicle. But in the real world, this extreme tuning creates an incredibly frustrating driving dynamic under specific conditions, leading to a noticeable hesitation when you suddenly demand full power to pass a semi-truck on the highway. This brings us directly to the massive engineering gamble we teased earlier, and it is the exact reason why some experts are warning buyers to think twice. To achieve these record-breaking efficiency numbers, Honda utilized an ultra-thin, highly specialized component inside the powertrain management system. While it works flawlessly under normal conditions, early testing data suggests that prolonged exposure to extreme heat or aggressive stop-and-go city driving causes this specific part to wear down at an accelerated rate. If it fails outside of your warranty period, you aren't just looking at a simple fix. You are looking at a full system teardown that could easily cost upwards of $4,000. Honda has bet big that the average driver will value daily fuel savings over long-term mechanical simplicity, turning the 2027 HR-V into a stunning, tech-filled masterpiece that unfortunately carries a hidden ticking clock right under the hood.